Hey, what's up, my fellow early retirees? Are you tired of that 9 to 5 grind already? Dreaming of sipping piña coladas on a beach while your boss is stuck in rush hour? Well, early retirement might sound impossible, but hold on to your avocado toast. Because today we're spilling the tea on making it happen. Like and subscribe for more financial inspo. First things first, let's crush the myth. Early retirement isn't just for trust fund babies. It's about smart planning and ditching bad habits. Not your latte habit, unless it's a $20 unicorn latte, LOL. Here's the secret sauce: saving early and consistently. Even putting away a small chunk of change each month adds up like magic thanks to compound interest. It's like planting a money tree, except less messy and way more rewarding. Like and subscribe to watch your money tree grow. But saving ain't enough. Let's talk side hustles. Turn your passions into profit. Whether it's freelance writing, dog walking, or selling your grandma's secret cookie recipe online. Every extra dollar counts, and bonus points if it's fun. Now let's talk investments. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds. It can sound confusing, but fear not. There are resources like robo-advisors that make it easy to invest, even if your financial knowledge is limited to budgeting for Netflix. Bad debt is the enemy of early retirement. So ditch those credit card temptations and focus on paying off student loans or that car you bought on a whim. Every dollar saved on interest is a dollar closer to freedom. Early retirement isn't a quick fix. It takes discipline, patience, and maybe a few sacrifices. Looking at you, daily Starbucks habit. But trust me, the freedom and flexibility you gain are worth every penny saved and latte skipped. Like and subscribe for the motivation to stay on track. So ditch the cubicle, embrace the hustle, and remember, early retirement is within reach. Now hit that like button and subscribe for more financial wisdom that'll have you saying hasta la vista to your boss in no time.